Good job, Cannon. What are you doing with that rattle? Wow. Shake it, baby. Good job. Good job, Ken. Good job. Good job, honey. Good job, Ken. Look at Mommy. Look at Mommy. Oh, what you gonna do with that rattle? Oh, you gonna drop it? Oh, can you pick it back up? Can you pick it back up, sweetheart? Can you pick it back up? Do you want to pick up that rattle? Yeah, you looking at it? What do you want to do with it? Huh? Is that enough playing with the rattle? You were doing so good. Want Mommy give it back to you? Yeah. Yeah. Want to grab it? Good boy. Careful, don't hit yourself. Ooh. Wow. Oh, okay.